This catenary platform truck is the next generation of HiRail construction and maintenance vehicle. The truck is 3-axle Tier 4 compliant, and the rubber tires are centered on the rail for optimal turning radius and traction. The elevating platform has a capacity of 2,000 pounds and a maximum height of 20 feet. Radio controls allow the truck to be driven from the platform up to 5 miles per hour. The platform is easily accessible by using the stairs located at the rear of the truck. The automatic handrail system on the platform adjusts upward to meet OSHA's mandated heights in handrail. It also adjusts downward to meet the maximum legal truck height while on the highway. The truck can be fitted with a pantograph system to monitor the stagger and height of the catenary wire. Operation of the wire manipulator arms, platform rotation, and elevation are radio controlled from the platform. The work platform is 8 feet wide and 16 feet long. It is able to be rotated a total of 180 degrees and can be insulated up to 5 kV. HiRail catenary platform truck.